Everywhere there is a demand, postpone JEE and NEET. Even government is not able to find solution regarding this exam, and students are forced to write this exam in this kind of COVID condition. What will be the future of kids? How can student be safe in this kind of COVID condition? What solution can government get in this kind of condition? I am Akshay and you are watching National Info Crypto, and today we are going to discuss about how can we manage exam problems in this COVID conditions. So let's get started. When government has decided to conduct the exam, student requested to cancel this exam for some months. Why student has asked to cancel these exams in this kind of condition? We have to understand their problem. COVID is a spreading disease, and in this kind of condition, conducting exam will be a big risk. Students are very scared to go near exam centers in this kind of condition, because if one student is affected with COVID, many students will affect, their family will affect. So students are asking questions regarding the exam center safety protocols when they need to go for center to write the exam. Traveling in this COVID condition, students have to travel lot of kilometers in this COVID condition, and there is no guarantee of safety during travel in this COVID time. Students have to spend lot of money to reach centers, and centers are nearly 20 to 30 kilometers away from their place. East Indian floods. Many areas in East India are suffering with floods. You can't neglect flood prone area and East Indian states in this exam time. Even in East India and flood prone areas, there are many aspirants who want to become doctor and engineer. So this is one reason why students are asking to postpone exam for 1 month. Even with all these problems, why government is not postponing the exam? Here are the reasons. JEE Mains is conducted 2 times in a year, and second JEE exam is been shifted to September. If you shift the JEE exam again, there will be lot of problems for engineering students and even 2021 batch. Right now, NEET exam, lot of doctor aspirants are waiting for it, and if you shift the exam again, there will be lot of problem with 2021 batch and 2020 batch. So government is finding difficult to solve this problem. Health is important than exams, but if exams will not be conducted, there will be lot of problems to students. So there is a huge dilemma. What can be solution for this kind of problem? So we are going to analyze some points that can bring solution to these problems. First, postpone the exam for 1.5 months or 2. Right now, many East Indian states and Orissa is at verge of floods, and in this flood condition, it's very difficult for them to go near the centers and write exam. Not only that, even COVID conditions are at millions. So in this kind of condition, it will be a big risk for students to write the exams. So for now, you need to shift the exam or postpone the exam for 1.5 months or 2. Second, centers should be increased. For NEET exam, selective CBSE schools are used as centers, and right now in this kind of condition, we need more schools and more colleges to be as centers for examination. So government has to find alternative centers and more area to conduct exams. Third, increase of transportation system. If in this kind of condition, students need safety during travel, and government should ensure their travel safety. So if government provide a safe travel for students, that will be a very good thing during exam times. So right now government has to provide safe transportation system for students. Saying this all kind of solution is easy, but it's very difficult to implement. In this kind of condition, government should find an alternative or should postpone the exam unless all safety protocols are guaranteed. If you like this video, like and share, and yes, subscribe our channel if you need to know more about our content. Stay home, stay safe, respect India, Jai Hind.